Hello and welcome back to Coral Kiwi Arts. My name is Darren. Now today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to create your own gold as well as silver by just using normal acrylic paints. Now you can go out and purchase these in any stationery shop or any art supplies. But if you don't have those nearby and you want to create your own gold or silver on the spot, well, this is the video to watch. Now you can change the consistency of your colors by just adding a darker tone. But anyway, let me show you how it's all done, and thank you for watching. So what you're looking at here is me playing around with some colors to see what sort of shades of gold I can get. And some were successful and some weren't. Now, I tried adding a bit of this bright yellow and a bit of this dark brown, but I ended up getting this green. And I used a brownish red as well as the yellow, this one here, and I just got this. It looks like a tile color. So again, didn't work very well. But to get the gold, which is this one here, which is really good, classical gold, I mixed a yellow, so there's my yellow there, and I got a bit of brown, and I mixed the two together, and instantly, if you mix it well, you get a nice classical looking gold. Now that looks really nice. As you can see the color that I'm seeing, I'm not sure it's coming out as clear on the camera, but that's how you create gold, by using yellow and brown together. And it all comes down to the make of acrylic paints as well. Some have more pigments in it, some are metallic looking, so if you had a paint that has more of a metallic look about it, it will make the gold look a lot brighter. Now to create chrome, what you do is you get a bit of white, like this, and you add a little bit of black to make it go grey. So you mix it up like this. Okay, so we've got a nice looking distribution of grey looking there. And now I'm going to add a little bit of blue. Now this is dark blue, this is light blue. So I'm going to use a little bit of dark blue. I'm not going to use much, just a little bit. But it's a true blue. I'm only going to use a little bit. I'm going to mix it into the grey. You don't want it to turn blue. Just keep mixing it. All right. Now it's looking really good. Now it's starting to look like chrome, a dark chrome. It's already grey, so this, put a little bit there. I'm going to add a little bit of this blue, but not too much. Just a little bit. Let's mix it in there like that. Get a bit more grey in there. I might have added a little bit too much blue. You don't need too much. It's too dark. I want to make it look a lot brighter. So I'm going to add, just clean my palette knife. Let's add a little bit of black to this, not too much. Let's add a little bit of this blue in there, see what we got. Not too much, just a little bit. Maybe a little bit more. Okay, that'll do. Maybe a little bit more. That's looking really good. So there we go. I want to try another sample, but this time I'm going to use the dark this time and the white, because I want to make sure that the color is true to my liking. So I've got a bit of white there. I've got many different shades of color there. I'll add a little bit of black, not too much. Let's mix it in well. That's it. You don't need much paint. Turn all this white into grey. Just took a little bit of black. That's all it needs. Now I'm going to use a little bit of this blue, not too much, just a little bit. That's all I'm going to use, not that much there. And I'm going to mix it in. And let's see what we get. Yeah, that's it. That's the color. That's more like it. So all I did was mix a little bit of black and white and some true blue into my paint. Mixed it all up to get this this chrome. If you put it next to grey, you will see the difference. Let's just get some normal grey paint and put that beside it, and you will see the difference. See? So that's grey, and that's your chrome. It's got more shine. Now if you have a paint that has higher pigments in it, or metallic paint, then obviously it's going to shine a lot more. But this is, I'm very happy with that. So that's how you get chrome, and that's how you get your classic gold. So let's put the two together. See how they shine? Look at that. And thank you again for watching this very simple tutorial video on how to make gold as well as chrome. Yeah, they've come out really nicely. Let's have a look here. Here is a better example of it here. Chrome and the gold. And I'll see you again next time, next week, hopefully same day. And have a wonderful new week. Thank you for watching again. Bye now.